The human body is a tapestry of energy, heat, movement, and the delicate currents that keep us alive. Now, imagine a device that taps into this overlooked power source, a marvel of miniaturization worn like a second skin. This is the promise of the wearable that turns a fingertip touch into electricity. It may look deceptively simple, a slim strip, almost like a high-tech bandage wrapped around the finger, but within lies an ingenious dance of science. Electrodes, soft as silk, caress the skin, seeking out the subtle perspiration that always coats our fingertips. Enzymes wait patiently, ready to turn the humble chemistry of sweat into a gentle flow of current. Underneath, a whisper-thin layer of piezoelectric material flexes, responding to the slightest pressure. The tap of a key, the gentle brush across a screen, each movement adding another trickle of power. This isn't a power source meant to rival a dynamo, but that's the beauty of it. This wearable device is a harvester of the overlooked, the discarded energy of our daily lives. It's the soft glow of your smartwatch, kept alive without a bulky battery. It's the extra hour of life breathed into wireless earbuds. It's a whisper of energy born from the touch of our own human hands, a testament to the hidden power that lies within us. Imagine a smartwatch that never needs a charging cable, or fitness trackers that run indefinitely, powered solely by your exertion. This eliminates cumbersome charging cycles and bulky batteries, creating sleeker, more convenient devices. Sweat contains valuable biomarkers. Sweat-powered wearables could analyze this information in real time, providing non-invasive health insights on things like electrolyte levels, hydration status, and even potential illness indicators. Harnessing an existing byproduct, sweat, to power. Our devices is inherently eco-friendly. It reduces reliance on batteries and external power sources, leading to a smaller carbon footprint. Sweat-powered wearables offer a potential paradigm shift in how we interact with our electronic companions. It's a field worth watching closely.